In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the difference between numbers in an Excel spreadsheet quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in and make this task as easy as possible. To begin with, open your Excel file where you have your data set up. Now, it's crucial to decide on where exactly within your spreadsheet you want the result of your calculation to appear. In this example, I'm placing the difference in the cell directly to the right of my starting amount. Picking a spot that fits well with your spreadsheet's organization is really important. It helps keep everything neat and paves the way for any further editing or analysis you might want to do later. With your chosen cell in mind, we can move on to creating the calculation itself. Start by entering an equal sign in that cell. This simple symbol is vital because it signals to Excel that you're about to input a formula. After doing that, click on the cell containing your starting amount. This might be your larger number or just the first number from which you'll subtract another. Next up, you will want to put a minus sign. Then proceed to click on the cell with the amount you want to subtract from your starting number. It's important to be precise when selecting these cells to ensure that your subtraction operation is pulling the correct values from your data. As you select these cells step by step, you'll start to see the formula coming together. It'll appear something like this: equals starting cell, followed by minus, and the cell you want to subtract. Now you're all set for the final step in executing your first calculation. Simply hit Enter on your keyboard. With the simple press of a key, Excel will process your formula and you'll see the calculated difference pop up in the cell you originally selected. It's straightforward, just like that. But what if you're dealing with multiple rows and need this subtraction formula to apply across numerous pairs of numbers? Fortunately, Excel simplifies this process too. Once you've set up your initial formula, revisit that cell where the first difference was calculated. Notice the small square located at the cell's lower right corner. This is known as the fill handle. Hover your cursor over this little square until your cursor morphs into a thin plus sign. At this point, click and drag the fill handle down along the column you intend to calculate differences for. As you do so, Excel automatically replicates your initial formula, adjusting for each row of data. You'll observe each cell populating with the accurate difference. And there you have it. You've efficiently calculated differences for multiple sets of numbers. Excel is designed to make tasks like this simpler and quicker, allowing you to focus more on analyzing your results without getting caught up in manual calculations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.